Hi guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and of course that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads and consistent content like this, because I promise you this will definitely help with your investment and trading journey. So before I get into today's video, like always, I'm going to share with you guys my live trading account portfolio because I'm on the road to 100k. Alright, so I'd like you guys to join me on that journey and also get on your journey, help you with your journey to wherever your goals are. Alright, so here's my live trading account portfolio. At the moment, my balance in US dollars is 11,100 and in Great British pounds is 7,800 pounds. So today's video, I'm going to share with you one stock that I believe is primed to rise. Alright, it could even double or even triple, you know, in the next coming months or even days or weeks. And that company is Root, ticker symbol ROOT. Alright, so for those who don't know, Root is a technology company that specializes in personal insurance. They announced the IPO on the 28th of October, and ever since they announced the IPO on the 28th of October, their share price has just been falling and falling. Alright, which is a great time to get in right now. You know, always buy low, you know, and then sell higher, or buy low and hold for the long term, especially a company like Root. So part of the reason I believe it's a good time to get in on Root, you know, despite the share price being very low. So here's the live data for Root. So they're currently trading at $14.14, or they closed on yesterday's session at $14.14. The share price has been falling ever since they announced the IPO. So despite the share price falling, I believe it's a good time to get in right now. Always buy low and then hold for the long term because the share price is bound to rise. And part of the reason I believe it's going to rise is that Root's market capitalization is 3.5 billion. And so far this year, they've made 402 million. So the income of 402 million is huge compared to the market capitalization. And most of the times the company announces the IPO is the share price rises for a bit, but it always falls, you know, before it actually picks up and takes off. Okay, so Root is showing these telltale signs right now. Ever since the IPO, the share price has just been falling. So it gives investors a good opportunity to get in on the market at a low price. Alright guys, so here's the chart of Root, ROOT. Okay, so like I mentioned, they had the IPO announced on the 28th of October, and ever since then the share price has just been falling. Alright, so they started at $25 a share and it's just fallen all the way down to $14 a share. Alright, so despite this, I believe it's a good time to get in. Now, one of the reasons I believe it's a good time to get in is the RSI, which is a good indicator to let you know when a stock is overbought or oversold. It's basically started off below 30, all right, which indicates that this stock was oversold. Initially, it was oversold here, all right, and it's just kept falling. Despite the price falling, all right, the RSI has been rising. So it's pretty much now at 30, okay, where it started at 10. All right, so the RSI started pretty much at 10, which is very oversold. And another reason, as you can see with this line, is a good support has been forming, which basically shows that it's been building a base. Okay, so it's primed to rise. All right, the bulls are pretty much gathering momentum around this point, around the price of $13 or $14. So it's getting primed to rise, and I believe once it starts rising, it'll just keep going up. All right, so make sure you guys jump on this stock. You know, like there's a lot of money to be made on this stock because I believe it's going to rise. It's currently at $14. I believe it could even rise up to $30, $40 by mid next year. So definitely it's a good stock to get in on. So if you enjoyed that video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And of course, if you got in on Root or you're thinking about getting in on Root, make sure you comment below and let me know. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.